Good morning, students. Welcome to eSuvidya. Hope you all are fine and safe. Students, in the previous class, we have discussed about the possible causes of road accidents. Today, we'll discuss about the steps that should be undertaken in order to avoid the road accidents. That is mentioned in the second stanza of the poem. As we have discussed that due to carelessness the road accidents happen, and an accident is an unexpected event leading to damage, injury, and sometimes it may lead to death. So as we have discussed in the previous class, Indian roads are the major killers. Per day, 62 pedestrians, those who walk on the road, die in India because of road accidents. You imagine when a bread earner of the family dies, how this family would be surviving. And an extra care, if we become careful, if we become cautious, whenever we are just entering the street, then we can avoid the road accidents. So, as we have discussed in the first stanza of the poem, we have discussed about an unworldly person or an absent-minded person who entered the street. When an absent-minded person enters the street, then there is the possibility of road accident. So an absent-minded person enters the street, he walked up the street, that means he entered the street, and what? He didn't see the car, he didn't see the approaching car, he didn't take care, he was not cautious, he was not careful at all, and what? He didn't look left, he didn't look right, and he started running. So without being careful, without being cautious, an absent-minded person entered the road, and without looking towards the approaching vehicles, without looking to his left, without looking to his right, and without looking towards anything, absent-mindedly he started running on the road. He started crossing the road. So automatically there was the sound. So automatically the sound of was friend is heard behind. Accident. So when a person remains absent-minded, automatically there is the possibility of accident. So try to avoid the accident. Be careful, be cautious, and try to avoid the accidents. So let's read the second stanza and discuss the theme of the second stanza. Stop, look and listen. Stop, take care. So when you are going to cross the road, when someone is ready to cross the road, first you stop. Stop, look and listen. Stop, look to your front, look to your left, look to your right, look every side. Okay? Stop, look and listen the sound of vehicles. Stop, take care. Stop and be cautious. Stay where you are. You remain in your position when you are going to cross the road. Just you remain in your position, you stop there, you look to the approaching vehicles, you listen to the sound of the approaching vehicle, and you be cautious. When a car is there, walk, don't run. And when you see a car is approaching towards you, then don't run. Okay, don't run. Okay, don't run. Walk and don't run when a car is there. When the road is clear, look where you are going. So when you have to cross the road, you remain in your position. You look to every side and you be careful, be cautious, listen to the sound of the vehicles, and also at the same time you wait till the vehicle crosses. Okay, you don't run. You don't run. And what? When the road is clear, wait till the road is clear. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. I have told you in the previous class, better late than late. Means better you reach your destination late than are late before your name. So be cautious, be careful, wait till the vehicle crosses. Till the vehicles cross, and the moment the vehicles cross, then you may cross the road. When the road is clear, look where you are going. You don't want to hear accident. Don't have an accident. And look where you are going, whether you are following the right path or not, whether you are going in the proper direction or not. So look where you are going. You have to become careful, you have to become cautious in order to know where you are going, in order to avoid what? Accidents. And don't have an accident. So avoid the accident by becoming careful, becoming cautious, and don't cross the road while the speeding vehicles are approaching towards you. So stop for a moment, listen to the sounds of the approaching vehicles, and make a proper judgment that when you will cross the road. Okay, properly judge the distance of the vehicles that are approaching towards you. So after properly judging the distance, then you try to cross the road. When the road become clear, when the traffic become free, then at that moment you cross the road, so that you can avoid the accidents. So accident, don't have an accident. You don't want to hear. You be careful, you be cautious in such a manner that you will never listen the word accident. Don't try to hear the word accident. Okay, because if you become a little bit cautious, little bit careful, then you can avoid the accident. So students, this is the theme of the second stanza of the poem. So today we have completed the poem Accident. So you recite the poem at least 2-3 times and try to answer the comprehension questions based on the poem. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.